Okay, hello. In this video, we are going to learn about the regular expression project. So go to create a new folder. regularexpressionproject project. This project open with VS Code. Create a new file. HTML and app.js inside there. Exclamation hit enter and link to our app.js script script source app.js, and this should be regularexpressionproject save and open with live server. We just our title project only. So now I'm going to using Bootstrap Bootstrap. Bootstrap. Now the last version is version 5. CT and JS save. This speaker and this Bootstrap. Let's start with Bootstrap. We using this one. Copy for the CSS and paste there to be copy there this all and go to put with the under the our app.js. Okay, we can put under or below. Save. Now is formatting. Okay, before we are going to start our project, I just want to talk about this Bootstrap just we are copying. It's similar to the materialize and have the skeleton or something else. This is this Bootstrap. This one. We are going to say yes already make up for the our style. Have the heading 1, heading 2, heading 4, and the table style or the form style, the button style or input style is have all of these style made by the class. This one is also make up for the container .container h under and x3 style. So I just hello and save, and now I go to see this is not take from there. It's already make the style. It's also have the auto pattern already and x3. Bootstrap is working like the CSS framework. Later on we will have the project for this one and we will have the course in my YouTube. So before I just want to show you we happy tab. This is my channel. You can hit subscribe or and hit the bell. So later on we will have Bootstrap in this channel. Okay. So leave it for the Bootstrap part. Okay. Now we are going to start our project. dot row and col that empty that colon 6 it take half at that's auto auto it mean margin of the right left and right is where take pick the auto. We can say it move to the our content to the center, and y it mean the top margin and bottom margin is 5 x for the x 1 login login, and we're going to have our form. And inside the form we will have form group class form form that group group. We have the label or an AME name and AME name and PUT input TEFT tag type of tag. We will not put the name, so it's not necessary now. And this ID should be the name CLA class form that UNTOL should make up style, and also placeholder should be the NAME name. So now we are going to see our input form. Okay, close this one. Now we see our MX margin left and margin right is take the auto and move our content to the center. I think it's 5 RAM, so it's very long. Shape should be 3 RAM. Okay. Now it also have this style, and this form group, and we'll put another form group, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, 3 more. This is for the email email 30 email email. This should be lowercase, and we not put the type of email. If we put type of email, the HTML5 where auto fixing for the email. So we want to customize our record, so we put there type of tag, and this for the zip code should be a package. This should be a package. And for the form, and UMPR phone number, placeholder PONE phone, and UMPR phone number, and another one, and input Smith, the type of Smith. So the value as u p mit Smith. Except we will not put ID because we don't need just for this style only. The class should be btn. When we put only btn, going to look, it just have this btn, and it should btn. That's the architect. So now we got the dark button, but I also want to close this for the block, so we also have to put btn that block block save. Now we go to C. Okay, it just have nothing now. This is for our index.html. Now we go to see our app.js. For an AMI name, for the name, the OCU document dot get element by ID. We get this ID and AMI name and dot s event listener. Listen to the bra. Okay, if you not yet learn about this function, event function, so you can go to learn my DOM documentation or DOM lesson. So it's already upload in my YouTube. So it means, okay, when we click the outside or click there, not in the name focus, it will count the blah. Okay, now we go to click our function function function. For the function geometry con and AMI name, the CUM document dot get element my ID. We will take the name and the of name geometry con padd pattern, and pattern go to must start with our letter A to C, lowercase and uppercase A to C, and also can be put as space /space. This is option. If they want to put or not put, it doesn't matter. This should be between 2 and 23 only. And should end slash. This is for our pattern. If pattern our pattern dot tst test we test it dot name name dot val value. If not with the format of pattern, when we input our name field, the value not format with the pattern, we will return turn return name dot class class list dot add is that in valint save. Okay, I think we forgot the invalid feedback under placeholder, So inside the form group, we should have invalid feedback dot invalid invalid that feedback back invalid feedback and AME name must be between 2 and 23 character character. This invalid feedback also should have inside there. Email is in invalid invalid. See, so this should be setting zip code. This should be phone number. Phone number. Zip. See, this will not show up now. Inside there, we already make for the name field. When we go to put and click outside, should name must be between 2 and 3. When I put 2 character, and click the outside, it will not direct. It will put speed, can put speed, and it will not happen anything. So when I put nothing and click the outside, it will show our invalid feedback. So we are going to click for the email. Control C, Control V. This should be Control D email. For the email, this time should be start with A to C, uppercase, and also including email is including the character, digit or number. Also underscore backslash to the that. Sometimes someone put that backslash to the dot, and this should make one group, so including the parentheses. I'll remove this one. And it's not only one word, so it's more word should be including plus sign. This plus sign should be inside this group. And we also have the assign for our email. And this time Gmail or Yahoo Mail or some mail, your website mail should be same at the front. Copy this and paste, and backslash to the dot, and another group. This group should be .com group, .com or .something, .org or whatever. A to C, and sometimes it's uppercase. A to C. So this just have only 2 to 5 letter. And some country or some university, they also have and their country. So I also want to make another group and paste this one and copy there. And this should be option. Have or not have it doesn't matter. And with $sign. This should be option. Yeah. Save. Now we are going to see our email and click the outside. Email is not yet working. What happened? This have the email, email email. Oh, sorry. We forgot the A. Dot D. email email. Save. And click the outside is we're not in village. When we put and in village. So now, okay, which is stevengmail.com is village. Thailand. Check. It's also still village email. Okay. And now we are going to make for this zip code. Sorry, we also forgot and hit the bra. Hit the outside when but nothing is will show the email is in village. And now we are going to make for the zip code. Set IP zip code code zip code .d set IP zip code code. We already have the ID in index.html. So now we make our pattern. Leave it for this zip code. Just have only 5 zip code. 0 to 9. In Thailand also have only 5 zip code, so I put only 5. In your country, whatever, how many word or how many digits you can put, you want to put, you can put. This for only 5 digits. And for the another one, should be phone number, and this should be phone, PXO, and a phone, and UMPN number. To the PXO and E phone, and inside there, backslash and this sign. This should be option. For the backslash digit, should we have 3 digits, and another backslash to the, this one is also option. This group dot bootstrap or speed should be the option, and backslash D so have 3 digits, and another group for this one, that stop and spacebar. This should be also option, backslash D for this one, and save. It means this bracket appended we can put or not put, it doesn't matter. And we also have 3 digits, 4 digits. Now we are going to see, and click outside is in village, load, and 3. So it's village. When we put nothing, it's still village. When we put the also stay valid. And when we put spacebar, stay valid. When we put the full stop, stay valid, because we already make including full stop. And when we want to have the parentheses, is also valid. Okay, I put my name Steven, SMITX Smith at tvnstevengmail.com .tx, zip code 2345. Okay, 564. Phone number. Okay, this is should already done. Okay, thank you for watching in this video. See you in the next video.